Aloha, Shannon, back again with Murray, my trusty assistant. We are now putting the rear fender on, then the rear wheel, and we've got the chain in.
Yep.
That was
ready to go.
That would have been bad. So let's get started with the rear fender. We've got the bolts out. So there are actually 3 bolts that hold the fender to the bike, and then you've got your 2 fender struts that give you extra support on the back. So a little bit of Loctite. And our trusty fender. Start with the bottom here.
It's in.
Sometimes you actually can't see.
Yeah.
You can feel.
That was the bit that gave us so much hassle getting it out.
Oh yeah, right there. Assistant, would you actually like to put a bolt in today?
This is after 2.5 days of trusted to put a bolt in.
There we go, guys.
But I'm not doing a good job of it.
You getting it in there? Try to draw some arrows, or you almost got it. It's kind of like IKEA furniture. No?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
No. Oh, no. This is why it's taking 2.5 days to
Are
trust.
you getting there?
Yeah, I think it's going in.
Alright.
Well, you tighten that up.
How has Murray done? No.
No.
It's okay. Just needs
A professional. That's what it needs. It needs a professional.
Needs a shaking. Oh, excuse me. Tight. That's tight. One more. Look at that right there. That's tight. Okay, rear wheel. Let's put chain out of the way. This might take a bit of time to get done. And moving stuff around. Let's get the jack replaced. And the socket on the jack. Where's our trusty socket here? Get the right. Alright. Let's get our rear wheel assembly.
So back off the floor where we put it Friday night.
Yep. And hopefully all the spacers are in the right location. Well, we're going to find out. This is the bent line. Don't need that. I just need this sexy rear wheel. Well, there's the first thing. Let's go up with the bike.
I'm going to move the camera so that you guys can see and I can help.
Hey, wipe some of this crud off here. Let's get this rotated down.
Hold that up.
System can hold that up. We're going to be bringing this down. Just make sure everything's out of the way. You're all good on that side?
Yep.
Alright, let's start there. I believe this spacer that has grease on it went on the inside of the seal touching the bearing. This went on the outside. I truly, honestly believe that. It should be coming through. Let's look. Let's see. Okay. This is touching great caliper bracket. And voila. Voila.
Yep, voila.
Boom.
Boom.
I like saying that. This is actually like winning.
Yeah, it is.
Like winning.
It feels like it's coming together.
Let's make sure that it's on there. That's forward enough. Are we going to be able to get this chain on here?
We'll make it happen. What do we need to do? It's gonna help.
If not, you know what? It's just kind of tight, so let's slide this forward as far as we can.
I'll take it, put the chain on without the. If you lift that a bit, maybe, because it's probably pushing against the inside. If you lift it a bit, there's maybe a bit more room. No, the other way, other way, other way. Then we need up. Yeah.
I think
We'll go forward.
wow, we're getting there. It's right there.
Yay, success.
Boom. All right. Let's get that stuck. You know. Okay. It's gonna have to come back some.
Right.
Right on back. Axle back going through.
That looks about right.
That's that. Alright.
There you go. Through.
She in?
She's in.
See, that's got movement. Might have to come up some on the frame.
Fits.
That's good. That's all good. That can stay there. I'll get that all snug and tight. So let's get the tire. Let's get those pieces set. I'm going to take it off. Just flip this tire. Tire's floating. Axle nut. I believe we had the license plate assembly that was connected back there, which we will put it on after I get this brake set up
Fixed up.
and tire running, chain running straight.
Yeah, the way you want it. Yeah.
Yeah. So, shall we be back on that?
Yeah. Let's finish it off there.
We'll be back. Aloha.